Garmin's newly launched Fenix 7 defines the true multisport watch, with a flawless design and endless possibilities. The watch can withstand all your adventures and endure maximum shocks. Besides, we all know that Garmin's GPS feature is undoubtedly best in class for tracking your accurate location, making it a must-have gadget for outdoor adventure. However, you need to spend a whole lot of cash to get this feature-packed smartwatch. On the other hand, the TicWatch Pro 3 Ultra from Mobvoi has been a great upgrade compared to its previous predecessor, and it also packs mind-blowing features to be your outdoor companion. So, will it be worthy enough to get the Fenix 7, or should you buy the TicWatch Pro 3 Ultra? To find out, watch till the end, as in this video, we will be digging out the best features of each smartwatch from a comparative perspective. So, without further ado, let's dive in. First and foremost comes the design. The Fenix series has always been renowned for its ruggedness, and the Fenix 7 is no different. Premium stainless steel design, protective button guards, and metal reinforced lugs, all packed in a tough housing. But it seems you can get the same amount of durability even from the TicWatch Pro 3 Ultra as well. The watch comes with convenient Wear OS in a military standard case at a tantalizingly low price. What makes the TicWatch stand out is its 1.4-inch beautiful AMOLED display, whereas you will get a 1.3-inch transflective memory and pixel with the Fenix. And, as expected, the AMOLED display offers a bit more resolution, but you will get clear visibility from either watch. Apparently, both the watch offers extreme durability from the inside and classic look from the outside. Being a flagship model of the respective companies, Fenix 7 and TicWatch Pro 3 Ultra comes with all the adequate features and powerful processor for smooth performance. Garmin has added pretty much every feature that they could have thought of while creating the Fenix 7, and you're less likely to find anything missing. Whereas, the TicWatch Pro 3 Ultra comes with latest Wear OS that is powered by the Snapdragon Wear 4100 platform and Mobvoi dual processor system. So, the TicWatch will have a more seamless connection with Android devices. Apart from these features, smartwatches are considered a great health tracker as well, and both watches are likely to impress you with the tracking sensors and accuracy. Garmin uses FirstBeat Analytics' patented algorithm for regular blood oxygen monitoring, heart rate, sleep tracking, and many more, and provides a regular data analysis. On the contrary, the TicWatch Pro 3 Ultra offers a similar type of data analysis from the Mobvoi app, but with the Garmin Fenix 7, you'll find an extra health feature called hydration tracking, which will give you a reminder of your daily fluid intake. Besides, the watch will suggest various workouts to help you reach your fitness goals. Nevertheless, you'll get usual stuff like GPS, notification, contactless payments, offline music, Bluetooth connectivity to headphones, and more with both the devices. The Fenix 7 offers a safety tracker that detects all sorts of incidents automatically and triggers assistance alerts. As for the battery life, the Fenix 7 offers up to 18 days of battery life from mixed usage, and the Solar Edition offers up to a massive 37 days of battery life. The TicWatch stays ahead of the Fenix in terms of battery life as well, offering up to 45 days of battery life. So, it seems the TicWatch will give extra advantages in many ways, even at a much lower price. But there are features that are only available with the Fenix 7. So, if you want an absolute beast of a smartwatch and money isn't an issue, the Fenix 7 should be your choice. But if you want to get most out of your hard-earned money, the TicWatch Pro 3 Ultra is ready to get you covered with all the essential features. Which one do you want to buy? Let us know in the comments below. Like and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.